Okay, so part of number 30 that I guess just feels different as the directions sound different. It says solve the differential equation. So what they really want is for you to figure out what the original function was. What is y equals? This isn't y equals, this is y prime. dy dx, same thing. So the way you go from the derivative back to the function is to integrate. So even though it doesn't put the integrand symbol in there, you're still integrating like the questions before it. So without have worked in this question ahead of time, I suspect this is probably going to be u because it's stuck under the square root. Again, I really don't know until I just try it out. Take the derivative of both sides would be du 2x minus 8 dx. And if these things can be substituted and make this look nicer, then that's a good u. And if it's not, I just start over and try something else for you. So this looks like u, the square root of u. And recently a few people have been saying the integration that gives them the most trouble is square roots. So if that's the case for you, just change it to an exponent of a half. Just do that right away because they're the same thing. Okay, the other substitution I need to make is x minus 4. Now you may notice there's not a dx here, but you can treat this algebraically like you do a lot of other stuff. You can think of this as multiplying both sides by dx so that the dx is over there. It does work that way. So I need an x minus 4 dx, and unfortunately I have a 2x minus 4 dx. So write what you want right underneath what you have, and then it's going to be a little easier to see. Oh, I just want to divide this side by 2, so divide that side by 2. So in place of x minus 4 dx, I can put 1/2 du. So there's nothing left in the numerator, so that leaves us behind a 1. Okay, so I would probably rewrite this like so that I could just do the power rule. Raise the power by 1, divide by the new power. Oh, dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2. Don't forget your plus c. Those are going to cancel, so I'm left with u to the 1/2 plus c. So look that one over and see if you guys have any more detailed questions on it before I take it away. Kane, I think what you're asking here is, I think you're looking at these. So yes, I did basically multiply this by 1/2, which is the same as dividing by 2, but I needed to do that here too. So if I divided this side by a half, then I had to divide that side by a half. And dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 1/2. The 1/2 just looks a little cleaner than saying the whole thing over 2. Any other questions on this one?